So this is what I get for letting the twins color with chalk yesterday. Black crayon. And the handiwork continues. Let's go upstairs. And in the newly painted kids' bedroom, we have love. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? You're innocent, huh? Take it to the judge.